How can you factorize this completely? It is very simple. It is very simple. So, according to this, what is the value of A? So, the value of A is 5. The value of B is -1. The number in front of what? The coefficient of X. And the value of C is -4. So to factorize this, you need to know the issue of products. Okay? So products, we're going to multiply A times what? A times C. A times C, which is 5 times -4. What is 5 times -4? We're going to have -20. Okay, -20 as the product. Then the sum is the B, and B here is -1. Now you need to look for two numbers. When you multiply them, they should give you -20, and when you add them, should give you -1. What are those two numbers? So, and those two numbers should be factors of 20. So we can have 4 times 5 is 20. Now we need to check which one should be negative. Okay, I think for this sum to be negative, then it means that the larger factor here is negative. Let's check. 4 times -5 is -20. 4 plus -5 is -1. So these factors work. All right. So we're going to use 4 and -5 to split the B. Okay, to split this B. So we're going to say 5x squared plus 4. We're going to use this factor plus 4, and the variable using is x. Then 5 is -5x, -5x. Then add the constant, which is -4. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of doing this? Is to split this expression into 4 terms so that you can factorize by grouping. I think it's now easy. You can factorize by grouping the first two. You can factorize the first two and the last two. So what is common in the first two terms? X is common, so you can factor out x. X into 5x squared just remain with 5x. X into 4x, you just remain with what? With 4. Simple. So it means that whatever we're going to do on the right hand side here, in the bracket should have 5x plus 4. Let's check what is common. What is common is negative. It's just -1. Okay, open bracket. -1 into -5x is just +5x. Negative is positive. 1 into 4 is simply 4. Now we have what is common. We have two terms now. We have this term and this one. So what is common? What is common is 5x plus 4. So you can write 5x plus 4 in brackets. Then write this x here. Put it in bracket as well. Attach it to this one. Okay, this which is in front and this one. So it will be -1. Okay. Now someone may. So this is the answer, by the way. Someone may ask, what if I started with what? A 5, -5x instead of 4. You're still going to find the same answer. Don't worry. So this is the answer. Okay? Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, guys.